Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to increase conversion rate using Sidekick. Conversion rate means how many visitors actually buy from your store. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick, then ask how to increase conversion rate. So it is processing. Now it will give the clear result. So test your store like customers, speed up your store, etc. So now we can go to the analytics. Then we can to take a screenshot of conversion rate over time. Then give it to Sidekick. Explain analytics. Click on enter. So now you can see I have 83 visitors but 0 sales. So let's fix this step by step. We can see 83 visited the store but no one added to cart or purchased it. This means the problem is in the product page or store setup. So first check product visibility. Go to the products. Check if the product is active or available on store. Yeah, the product is active. Next, go to the store. Then view store. We can click a product and check the image quality. Okay, customer decide based on images first. Make sure price visible and reasonable. If price is confusing or missing, customer will leave. Check add to cart button. Add trust elements like reviews, contacts, info, and return policy. Here we can see. So next, check your store password. Password can block customer from buying. So go to the online store, then click on preference. Here the password is enabled. Remove them. Then save the changes. So here saving the changes. Then next we can show the shipping information. We can check the shipping cost if there is free delivery like that. Click on shipping and delivery. Then click on general profile. Here we set free shipping, light shipping, heavy shipping. So it is clear. You can also add more product to your store. More option increase chances of purchase. So if customer are visiting but not buying, the issue is usually trust, product quality or store setup. So that's how you can fix low conversion rate using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.